Hi! Welcome to our channel. I am Tess and this is my dog Buddy. I know it's been a while since we uploaded a video, so I thought today I should share my unboxing of my metal print from Adoramapix. So let's start opening the box. So this is the box from my print from Adoramapix. This is 20 by 30 size. And this is the back. So this is the photo that I print from Adoramapix using their metallic print. I'm not a professional photographer, okay? And this is Daffodil Hill, and I decided to print out this image because Daffodil Hill is already closed, and I thought it will be nice to have a souvenir in our office. So I printed this image that I took from Daffodil Hill. The frame that I'm going to use is the Ribba from IKEA, and I'm also using this tape that I got from Target. This tape is acid free, and this is the tape that you should be using in putting or taping some pictures on the frame. That's how it looks on the frame. Yeah, since it's non-reflective or it's a plastic, you will see a lot of reflection. So this is the place where I like the frame to be placed, and probably next video I'll show to you our office. This is how it looks, and I apologize for the reflection because as I've said, the plastic is non-reflective. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give us like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video. Bye!